Hello students, today we will discuss in the chapter a pair of linear equations of two variables. We have discussed this chapter, we have discussed about the methods. Today we will discuss cross multiplication method. In this method, we need to understand how do we find values of x and y using cross multiplication method. So let us start. Let us solve the following equations. Suppose we have two linear equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Suppose this is first equation, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Suppose this is second equation. As we have solved in elimination method, we use that method. So first of all, multiplying the first equation by b2 which is coefficient of y of second equation. So multiplying first equation by b2 and second equation by b1, we get a1 b2x plus b1 b2y plus b2 c1 is equal to 0, and a2 b1x plus b1 b2y plus b1 c2 is equal to 0. Now we will subtract. So we change the sign of the second equations. We change the sign of each term of the second equation. How will we change? So plus into minus, and plus into minus. Now we have a1 b2x minus a2 b1x. When we take x as common, we have a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Again plus b1 b2y and minus b1 b2y, both are same with positive and negative, so it will cancel. So we have b2 c1 minus b1 c2 is equal to 0. Now we have to find x. So x is equal to b2 c1 minus b1 c2. This is in positive form. It will go to right side, so plus will be in minus. So inside the bracket we have minus will change into plus, so it will be b1 c2 minus b2 c1, and by the coefficient of x, a1 b2 minus a2 b1, where we have a1 b2 minus a2 b1 not equal to 0, because in a fraction denominator will not equal to 0, it gives infinite. Similarly, again we will solve these two equations by multiplying a2 with first equation and a1 with second equation. We get y is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Steps to solve by cross multiplication method. Students, what are the steps we need to use while we solve pair of linear equations by cross multiplication method? So let us start. Step 1. Convert the given equations in the following form, or we can say that we need to convert the given equations in standard form of linear equations of two variables. Let us say we have two equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Step 2. There are three columns in the above equations. First column a1, a2 formed by the coefficients of x. Second column b1, b2 formed by the coefficients of y. And c1, c2 formed by constant terms. Step 3. In step 3 there are some parts. First part, we write down two columns b1, b2 and c1, c2 in the denominator of x, ignoring the column a1, a2 of x. Very simple. That is x by whatever it is given in step 3 first part, b1, b2 and c1, c2. Second part, again we write two columns a1, a2, c1, c2 in the denominator of minus y, that means negative y, leaving the column b1, b2 of y, that is minus y by a1, a2 and c1, c2. Third part, similarly we write down two columns a1, a2, b1, b2 in the denominator of 1, that is 1 by a1, a2, b1, b2. Step 4. Now equate them first, second and third and mark crossed arrows from left top to right bottom and left bottom to right top as following. Again I am going to repeat. Equate them means whatever we have got in first, second and third part of step 3 in crossed arrows from left top to right bottom and left bottom to right top as following. It is very simple. We need to listen carefully. X by b1, b2, c1, c2 is equal to minus y by a1, a2, c1, c2 is equal to 1 by a1, a2, b1, b2. Now as above told, b1 multiplied with c2 and b2 with c1. Similarly a1 with c2 and a2 with c1 and a1 with a b2 and a2 with b1. Look, in each denominator, step 5, in each denominator, multiplying the numbers indicated by their arrows and then subtract the product of numbers with upward arrow from the product of numbers with downward arrow as given. X by b1 c2 minus b2 c1, whatever given the arrows, is equal to minus y by a1 c2 minus a2 c1 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Very clear. Step 6. We find the value of x by equating the first and third expressions and y by equating the second and third expressions. Very simple. x1 by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 and minus y by a1 c2 minus a2 c1 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Look students, I am solving a question using cross multiplication method. Whatever we studied today, 2x minus 6y plus 10 is equal to 0. This is first equation. 3x minus 7y plus 13 is equal to 0. This is second equation. Solution. We write x by column of coefficient of y and column of constant terms. So minus 6, minus 7, 10, 13 is equal to minus y by column of coefficients of x and column of constant terms. So 2, 3, 10, 13 is equal to 1 by, we write the column of x and column of y. coefficient of x and coefficient of y. 2, 3, minus 6, minus 7. I think it is very simple. Now we multiply x by minus 6 into 13 minus 7 into 10 is equal to minus y by 2 into 13 minus 3 into 10 is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 7 minus 3 into minus 6. This implies x by, we solve this, minus 6 into 13 minus 78 minus 7 into 10 minus 70 minus plus, so we write plus 70 is equal to minus y by 26 minus 30 is equal to 1 by minus 14, again minus plus 7 6 3 the 18. So minus 14 plus 18. This implies we have x by minus 8 is equal to minus y by minus 4 is equal to 1 by 4. Equate first and last. X by minus 8 is equal to 1 by 4. This implies we have x is equal to minus 2. And minus y by minus 4 is equal to 1 by 4. 4 cancel, minus cancel, so y is equal to 1. Hence the solution is x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 1. Now we have to solve these questions. Students, you attempt these given questions now and let me check all students. You don't ignore this, because whatever we have learned we need to apply by solving these questions. So first questions we have two equations, second question, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. Let us solve these questions. You attempt first. If you get problem, then you ask me by putting the question number. I'll solve and I'll make you understand. And these questions, your homework. This is assignment. This is subjective questions, means long question.